I found the best way to make $10,000 a month dropshipping. Now I've been dropshipping for so many years and I have made several stores which are documented on this YouTube channel. But what I'm going to show you today is the best way to make $10,000 a month dropshipping. And honestly, after me showing you this, you'll wish you knew sooner. Now dropshipping has evolved over the years and now it's becoming so much easier to start dropshipping. And I myself have made so much money dropshipping, so I know this works. And the videos I've made on these documented stores I will put in the link in the description. So there's three main things that you need to do when dropshipping. You first need to find a winning product, you then need to create a store, you then need to run ads. Now all three are very important, but the most important is finding your winning product. I see it all the time when people think they found the winning product and then they create a very good store, they run very good ads on it, but it still doesn't sell. This is why finding the correct product is extremely important. Without this, everything that comes after it will fail. Think of it as the foundation for your store. So now that we've established finding your winning product is the most important, how do you find your winning product? Now I know a lot of people use TikTok to find their winning products. I used to do this myself and it can be successful. However, with more and more dropshipping products being promoted on TikTok, it's getting harder and harder to find one that is a winning product. The issue is that even if the product does go viral on TikTok and has good comments, it doesn't always mean that the product is selling well. So how do you know if a product is selling well? Well, you find out if people are actually buying the product. And how do you find out if people are actually buying the product? Well, this is where the sponsor of the video, ShopHunter, comes in. ShopHunter is an amazing tool that I've been using for a while, and it's been allowing me to make some serious money by finding my winning products. So what is ShopHunter? Imagine being able to go onto stores and see how much money they're making. That's essentially what ShopHunter does. ShopHunter is an easy to use sales tracker that lets you track sales of any Shopify store. And it has a bunch of features that help you find your winning product. ShopHunter is one of my favorite tools to use because it's always helped me find my winning product. Use my code ALIM25 for 25% off your monthly plan if you do decide to sign up. But what's also amazing about ShopHunter is that it comes with a free trial. Now this is a product I was selling on one of my dropshipping stores and ended up making well over 5 figures. The reason I knew this would do well was because before I deemed it a winning product, I used ShopHunter. And my favorite part of ShopHunter is the store tracking feature, because what that allows you to do is find stores that are successful, so all you need to do is replicate it. You can also check how many Facebook ads those stores are running, which if they are running a lot, proves even further that it is a winning product. Now the free trial allows you to track a couple of stores so you can see the potential without any cost. It shows you a bunch of information like product variants and revenue data, so you can understand what's working and what's not. So let me go through how ShopHunter works. So I saw this product on TikTok called the Relief Koala. I copied the URL of the store and pasted it onto ShopHunter. And straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. I could see straight away how much money these guys are making. Now if you click on ads over here, you can see a chart of how many ads they are running. If we then click here, this will then show us the individual ads they are running for the store. So you can see what ads they are running. Genuinely a game changer, because you're getting all the exclusive secrets of all these top dropshipping stores, and all you have to do is replicate what's working well. In fact, I used the same product that this store did, and I myself made well over 5 figures. This is why saturation can sometimes be a good thing, because you can replicate the best dropshipping stores' tactics while staying clear of the stores that aren't doing well. Now with ShopHunter, you can also go onto the Explore tab, and if we click here, you can also search products and it will find dropshipping stores selling that same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing, or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised products. So this tool just makes dropshipping extremely easy. And to be honest, if you're struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started yet, this tool is honestly a game changer. And I would recommend to start implementing this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now these are the prices for this tool if you plan to take out a monthly plan. However, I would recommend taking out the annual plan, which is what I'm on, and you can also get 2 months free. You can easily make 5 to 6 figures using this tool. Again, you can get 25% off ShopHunter by using the code ALIM25. So make sure you click my link in the description. Go onto your chosen plan and sign up to ShopHunter. Again, if you use this tool correctly, you can easily scale up your dropshipping store to make you well over 10k a month. So now that you've found your winning product using ShopHunter, what you then need to do is create a store. Now before you make your store, what you need to do is create a brand around your product. And the way to do that is by coming up with a name for your product and your store. So for example, if I advertise this product right over here, I can use an AI tool like ChatGPT and ask it to come up with names for my store and product. And ChatGPT will list multiple names that I can use. Now after that, you then need to create a logo, and you can use many AI websites which will create the logo for you. I used this website and all I did was type in the name and it created a logo for me. Now after you have your name and your branded logo, you can then start creating your store. When it comes to creating your store, you want it to be simple and not complicated. Now let me show you an example of a few good stores. Now as you can see, this is a very good store. You've also got this store which is also good as well, and you've also got this store as well which is very good. You want to make the customer journey extremely easy and you don't want to complicate it with a store design. This needs to be done properly because this is the last stage before you convert. I have made a video where I've talked about how to create your store, which I will link at the end of this video. Now the final step is ads. And ads are super important because without ads, no one will discover your store. Therefore, you need to do ads correctly. So you can do Facebook ads or TikTok ads, whichever you prefer. Sometimes it depends on the product as well, so I'd recommend checking out your target audience. However, usually I always use TikTok ads. Now you can use a company like Ecom Adz to create the videos for you, or you can order the product yourself and create videos around it. So guys, I hope you've learned a very valuable lesson today. Your winning product is what's going to be the difference for you to make 10K a month. I hear it all the time, drop shipping doesn't work anymore. Trust me, it does. I've made so much money with drop shipping, and you can too. If you really want to make money with drop shipping, you need to understand that finding your winning product is extremely important, because I've used ShopHunter so many times in the past, and honestly, they've made me so much money. So again, make sure to sign up with ShopHunter by using my link in the description and use this code ADAM25 for 25% off. And if you want to watch my video where I talk about how you can create your store, well, watch this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.